and national government constitutionally must work. The Constitution says that the county and the national government are distinct but interdependent. Distinct but interdependent. Which means that there are occasions when we must collaborate. But we don't collaborate as if one is inferior to the other. We don't collaborate because we have to think the same politically. We can differ politically, and indeed, the county government of Homa Bay is ODM, the national government is UDA, but we collaborate as equal partners in development of our people. And nobody should come and say, Wanga, for you to get anything from the national, you must join UDA. Never. Never. Because the people of Homa Bay are also taxpayers and entitled by right to national government resources.